Hi, my name is Justin White, and I'm one of the licensed agents here at High Tide Real Estate Group, located in the Comox Valley on Vancouver Island, BC. I want to take a few minutes to show you how you could save hours a week searching for listings to find your perfect home. Simply go to the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click on the login. Here's where you're going to enter the email and phone number that you provided when you logged onto the website. Click the login button, and you'll see your name right here with two of the most important features of our site that are going to save you hours a week. First is your saved searches. Second is your favorite properties. There's 4 different ways to search for listings on our website. The first is on the top of our home screen, which is our advanced search section. The second, you're going to be able to search by lifestyle. If you're looking for an ocean waterfront home or an acreage, you can simply click on one of these tiles and you'll get all the listings under this desired lifestyle. The third way is going to be through featured communities. From Courtenay to Mount Washington, click on one of these tiles and you'll get all the newest listings in these specific communities. We've also teamed up with the biggest search engine for homes in North America, MLS Listings. It's integrated into our website and updated every 15 minutes. Go to this section of the newest Comox Valley homes and scroll through to find the hottest up-to-date listings. And the fourth way is through our interactive map, where you get to choose what are those areas you want to live in and those areas you want to find homes. You'll be able to save those searches and get instant email notifications when new listings arrive in those specific mapped areas. For today, we're going to go up to our advanced search section, click on advanced search. Once inside this area, you'll want to pick the city or the area that you want to find homes in. You can pick multiple areas by simply pushing down the control button and adding them to the search field. For today, we're going to search Comox. Then we're going to search what type of property, we're going to search a home, and then you get to enter in what is your budget. We're going to put $700,000 to $1 million. Next, how many bedrooms? We're going to pick a minimum of 2, and how many bathrooms? A minimum of 2. You can also search by such areas as minimum square feet, the minimum year that it was built, the style of home, as well as interior features. What we suggest your first couple searches is make it as broad as possible so you'll have the maximum amount of listings to choose from. Click the search button. As you see here, we have 19 available properties. Right here, you'll have your Save This Search button. Click on that and you can name it whatever you like. Today, it's going to be Comox Dream Home. Hit the save. By saving the searches, in the future when any new MLS listings come up that are within the criteria that you set for this search, you'll instantly get an email notification. By clicking on the individual listings, you're going to see all the photos of the home, as well as scrolling down and see all the available information. You can even click on Schedule a Tour with no obligation and be able to make a date to tour that property. Once you find the properties you like, click on the heart to add them to your favorites. Hit back to search results, and from this area you can also search by the interactive map. By zooming down on it, you can actually choose homes in specific areas and go over each one to see what are these homes. By going even closer in on your home search, you can save another search for Comox Waterfront Homes. Click the save button. And then returning to your property list. Now by going up to your login, you can see your saved searches and your favorite properties all in one place. No more searching around trying to find that perfect home that you're looking at. They can be all in one convenient area. At High Tide Real Estate, we're here for not just buyers, but for sellers as well, and we offer a free home evaluation. Reach out to us at any time at High Tide Real Estate, because a high tide floats all boats.